Electric cars aren't just for the wealthy anymore. In 2025, you can own a reliable EV for under $30,000. From budget commuters to family SUVs, affordable options are everywhere. Welcome to Smart Drive USA. Let's dive into the 10 best affordable EVs you can buy today. Nissan Leaf, the budget king. The Leaf has been America's most affordable new EV for years. A brand new Leaf starts around $28,000. While used models can be found for as little as $10,000 to $16,000. That's incredible value for a car that pioneered the EV movement. With a range of about 149 miles, it's not built for long road trips, but for city driving and daily commutes, it's more than enough. Honest balance. The Leaf uses the older CDMO fast charging standard, which is less common than CCS. That means charging options can be limited in some areas. But for buyers who plan to charge mostly at home, or who live in cities where CDMO is still supported, the Leaf remains a fantastic choice. Cheap, reliable, and proven. Chevrolet Bolt EV and EUV, the value champions. After production ended in 2023, the Bolt became a used market favorite. Prices now range between $14,000 and $20,000, making it one of the most budget-friendly EVs with serious range. And that's the killer feature, 259 miles on a single charge. That's more than many newer EVs costing twice as much. Honest balance, early Bolts had battery recall issues. But after updates and replacements, the Bolt has proven itself as a reliable, safe choice. For buyers who want maximum miles per dollar, the Bolt is unbeatable. Tesla Model 3, the all-rounder. Tesla's brand power is undeniable, and the Model 3 is the car that made EVs mainstream. In the used market, 2018 to 2020 models now sell between $23,000 and $28,000. That's a sweet spot for buyers who want Tesla technology without the premium price tag. Honest balance. Tesla repairs and parts can be expensive compared to other brands. But when you factor in the supercharger network, sleek design, and strong resale value, the Model 3 becomes the all-rounder of this list. Hyundai Kona Electric, the compact SUV. Americans love SUVs, and the Kona delivers that body style in an affordable electric package. Used models range from $20,000 to $25,000, and you get a 258-mile range. Families appreciate the Kona's practicality, with decent cargo space and a comfortable ride. It even won a Top Pick award back in 2020, proving its reliability and value. Honest balance. The Kona's back seat and cargo space are smaller than larger SUVs. But for families who want SUV practicality in a compact, affordable package, the Kona Electric is a smart choice. Kia Niro EV, the practical choice. Think of it as the Kona's twin, but with a bit more space and a more conventional SUV design. Used models typically sell between $22,000 and $27,000. Reliability ratings are strong, and owners love its balance of practicality and affordability. Honest balance. The Niro doesn't stand out with flashy design or performance. It's a conventional SUV, plain and simple. But that's exactly why many buyers love it. Mini Cooper SE, the fun city car. New models hover around $30,000, while used ones can be found for $19,000. The range is limited about 114 miles. But that's not the point. The Mini SE is all about fun. It's agile, quick, and perfect for urban driving. Younger buyers or anyone living in a city will love the personality this car brings. Honest balance. The short range makes it unsuitable for long trips. But if you want driving excitement on a budget, and you mostly stick to city streets, the Mini Cooper SE is the fun choice. Ford Mustang Mach-e, the game changer. Yes, it's a Mustang, but it's electric. Used 2021 and 2022 models are now dipping into the $28,000 to $32,000 range, which means some deals fall under our $30,000 cutoff. The Mach-e combines performance, style, and recognition. It's fun to drive, it looks sharp, and it carries the Mustang name, which instantly hooks American buyers. Honest balance. Prices often start above $30,000. Our budget covers only the lowest priced examples on the market. But for buyers who can find those deals, the Mach-e is a game changer. Hyundai Ioniq 5, the futuristic pick. This car won Car of the Year, in 2022, and for good reason. It offers ultra-fast charging, bold design, and a spacious interior. Used models now range between 26 and 30,000, making it just within reach for budget buyers. Honest balance. Realistic prices are often at the top of or slightly above our budget. But if you can find one under 30,000, the Ioniq 5 feels future-proof. Fiat 500e, the city specialist. New models are slightly above our cutoff, around 32,000, but used ones can be found for 15,000. With a 149-mile range, it's perfect as a second car or for urban driving. The Fiat 500e is stylish, compact, and agile. Honest balance. The new model has limited availability in the US, restricted to states like California, New York, and Oregon. But for buyers in those regions, or for anyone shopping the used market nationwide, the 500e is a charming, affordable option. Volkswagen ID.4, the family favorite. This spacious SUV is designed for comfort and practicality. Used 2021 models now sell between 25 and 30,000, making it a budget-friendly family EV. The ID.4 offers smooth rides, good cargo space, and a design that feels familiar to American families. Honest balance. The ID.4 isn't the fastest or flashiest EV. But for families who want space, comfort, and affordability, it's the perfect fit. Recap and payoff. So, let's recap quickly. The Nissan Leaf is the cheapest entry point. The Chevrolet Bolt gives you the best range for the money. The Tesla Model 3 offers brand power and the supercharger network. The Hyundai Kona and Kia Niro are practical SUVs for families. The Mini Cooper SE is the fun city car. The Mustang Mach-e brings performance and style, though only at the lowest prices. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 is futuristic and fast-charging, but often at the top of the budget. The Fiat 500e is the stylish city specialist, with limited new availability. And the Volkswagen ID.4 is the spacious family choice. If we had to highlight the top 3 picks for different needs, the best budget option is the Nissan Leaf. The best range option is the Chevrolet Bolt. And the best family option is the Volkswagen ID.4. Pro tip for buyers. Before you buy a used EV, always get a pre-purchase inspection and ask the seller for the battery health report. The battery is the most expensive part of the car, and knowing its condition will save you from costly surprises. Also, check charging compatibility in your area. If you live somewhere with limited fast charging options, make sure your EV fits your lifestyle. So, which of these 10 EVs is at the top of your list? Would you go for the budget king Nissan Leaf, the range champion Chevrolet Bolt, or the family favorite Volkswagen ID.4? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this guide, hit the like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe to Smart Drive USA for more money-saving automotive guides. We post weekly videos to help you make smarter car decisions, whether you're buying your first EV or upgrading to something new. Thanks for watching, and remember, affordable doesn't mean compromise. With the right choice, you can drive electric, save money, and enjoy the ride.